Today is a very big day for me, y'all. Today I am literally going to go sign for my very first salon, my own salon suite. So it's just gonna be me, the stylist, and my client in our suite. It has a wash bowl, I have my chair, I have a big mirror, I have like the Broadway lights. It's really cute, it's spacious, and it's the same price that I'm paying at a booth at a salon that I'm at currently. So this is something I've been trying to do, something I've been looking for, and for the price that I got it for, I'm literally pretty much was not going to find it at any other suite. Like most suites I found were like, you're looking at $300 a week, and this one was like almost half of that. So I was like, thank you, Lord. I thought I would just bring y'all with me, and I might give y'all like a little tour. But I don't do like a whole bunch when it comes to makeup, because most times I just wear pretty much a clear face. But these days, especially during the holidays and being a stylist or whatnot, I want to do a little bit extra. So I just been doing like some brow, and I'll do like a lash and just put some lip gloss on. And you know I love my hoops. So I got a hand mirror. I need to go get it so I can see everything. Hold on. This is a really big milestone for me. Something that I was really scared to do all the way up into like yesterday. So I'm gonna go pick up my mom, and then we're gonna head over there. I'm just going in with this is a concealer brush by Kiss. Since I don't have my little brush, it doesn't take me long to do my brows. And for a lot of people, most people say it takes them like 20 minutes to do brows. And I'm always curious as to why. So I'm not no like makeup guru. This is just how I do my makeup. Just gonna do the other side. I like to go in and actually trace the top with my foundation color. Yes, I am using the same brush. You just have to make sure there's nothing on it. Unless you actually have like your brushes. I have all my brushes, but honestly, I just really do not feel like going through the bag to go find it. It's not that deep. That's the first brow. Dang, I messed that up decent. Right quick too. So now that I messed up that brow, I gotta fix it right quick. So now that that concealer is starting to dry underneath the eye, it makes it a lot easier to actually move around. And I learned that from my makeup artist. So wait till it dries before moving it around. Dang. Some people leave like that little line from the concealer. I'm so not a fan of that, so I try to just go in with my color foundation and just slightly trace as if I was doing it with the actual concealer to help remove it. This one is actually pretty good. You don't really see the line, but sometimes if I see a line and I can't, you know, really get it with like the beauty blender or anything, I just go on like this. Y'all, so I know this look like hair glue, but it's actually eyelash glue. I got it when I was in Atlanta. So I just went ahead and doubled my lashes already before I applied them, because trying to do it separately was becoming really frustrating. Okay, so now I really have to hurry up, so I don't know where I got this palette from. Probably my hair store, but it's like 40 colors. I love golds. This little rose gold is nice. So I just put it just a little bit with my finger. Just to be a little extra. I gotta hurry up, y'all. I got my purse all on my shoulder and everything. All right, y'all. Just did a light makeup. Just a little brow, lashes, lip gloss, some hoops. Of course, my half wig. The description is below. And we are off to my salon suite to sign the lease for it. So I'm really excited. So let's go.